Welcome to Loopdedoo! We're going to show you how to use our necklace kit. The kit comes with all the materials you'll need to design and create 6 interchangeable necklaces. Gather your threads together, place them over a hook, and tie a tight double knot about a finger's width away from the hook. Open one of the jump rings and place over the opposite hook. Create a core by placing threads through the jump ring and back to the other hook. Continue wrapping to measure your looping threads. Depending upon the thickness, you should measure out 6 to 8 extra lengths for looping thread. Then cut the threads off the skein. Remove the looping threads from the hooks, but leave the core threads on the hooks. Create an attachment loop at either hook, just like you would for a regular bracelet. Use any of the looping styles and loop along the core to the other end. Stop looping about a finger's width away from the hook. Then create another attachment loop knot. After tightening the knot, trim the excess threads. You can add a dab of clear drying glue to the knot to prevent unraveling. Remove the necklace section from the Loopdedoo hooks. Repeat these steps to create more necklace sections. Then join the sections together using the easy open-close jump rings. Add in some decorative links. Experiment by mixing, matching, and even twisting sections together to change your look. And you can even combine sections for longer necklaces or belts. Try our other Loopdedoo kits and accessories for even more fun ways to use your spinning loom.